Hi there, my little friend. Today we are going to make a truck. So, are you excited for this activity? Well then, let's see what do we have in our book. Wow, we see a beautiful truck right in front of us. All we have to do is follow these 4 steps and start making the truck. So at first, we will require a pencil and a scale for this, and let's start by making this standing line here and at the back as well. Can we make it nicely? This is great. Now we will make a sleeping line joining both the standing lines. Let's join this together and make one more at the bottom. Now, let's make a standing line in the center so that it actually divides the truck into 2 parts, the front part and the back part. Let's make the part where there is a window. This is great. Can we make the back trailer now? This looks amazing. In the next step, we make the wheels. Let's make circular wheels together. Try and make both the wheels of the same size. Draw it slowly and nicely. This is amazing. Let's make this line darker so that it is easier for us to understand. Yes, the outline of our truck. Let's make these lines inside. This is beautiful. Now, we will erase the unwanted lines here. Yes, so that we do not sketch it and make a mistake. Try making these sleeping lines exactly at equal distance. Complete this in a similar way. And then make these curved lines right here. Yes, for the front part of our truck. This looks amazing. Let's make a curve right here and then make the window. This is so much fun, isn't it? That looks lovely. Erase all the pencil marks we see here, which are not wanted anymore. After that, let's make this circle properly. That's amazing. Now, give this a nice finishing touch up. Erase the parts wherein you're making a mistake and redraw it again. Well, once we are done drawing the entire thing, let's start sketching it. This looks very interesting, isn't it? That's lovely. Let's take our sketch pen and start sketching this now. Go right on top of the pencil marks you've made. Yes, only the fair ones. As this is an intricate drawing, we need to go very slow while sketching this. This looks amazing. Let's make these straight lines slowly and nicely. Try making it a freehand line and do not use a scale for this one. Make it slowly and nicely. Complete making the entire truck in a similar way. Yes, let's do this together. This looks amazing. Let's start by coloring this part at first with red color. Go very slow over here as it's a very thin part. We cannot make a mistake while coloring. The next color we take is a brown color. Yes, let's take the brown color and do the bottom line. Something like this. This is great. Let's color the wheels lightly with the same color. Yes, do not press the color way too much and color this nicely. Color the other wheel in a similar way. This is lovely. Let's take our next color now, which is orange color. Let's do the outline at first and then color inside slowly. Yes, we can start coloring only in one direction. Over here, let's color in sleeping line. This is amazing. Make sure you do not keep any white spaces. Now, let's color this with green color. Yes, we need to take a shade of green and start coloring this. To start with, we can do the outline and then color inside. Go blockwise at first so that we do not make a mistake. And once you're done with one block, you can try coloring all the 3 blocks together. Yes, just like this. Well then, let's start coloring inside slowly and nicely. This looks great. Color only in one direction and do not keep any white spaces. This looks brilliant, isn't it? I am having a lot of fun coloring. Are you? That's lovely. Let's color the handle with red color. And then let's do the wheel. Yes, very lightly. After that, let's make these slanting lines right here. Yes, for the beautiful window. And look, we are done with this entire truck. This looks amazing, isn't it? That's lovely.